YouTube, what's up? Which one is gonna explode the highest? Coke or Pepsi? With the Mentos.
Let's see.
Don't know.
All right, Pepsi first, you said?
Let's go. Pepsi. Let us know down in the comments if you think Pepsi's gonna win. Put a like emoji. If you think Coke is gonna win, put a happy face emoji. Open the Mentos. Do I open it?
Yeah, you can open it.
Okay. I'm gonna just dunk them all in. No one cares.
Just put it in.
Oh, I gotta.
Or here. There's some too. Oh, it's curved.
That's a long one. This is gonna be hard.
3. How many is this? Oh, I broke it. 1, 2, 3, 4,
no, I
5,
think it was
6,
already
7,
broken.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12 in this one. This is gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
One more.
6.
Maybe 7?
Maybe.
One more, guys. Or fits. No more. 7 of these things.
Okay, you ready?
Let's leave the trash there.
All
Okay.
you gotta do is pull that back. That touched the tree.
Let's
Okay.
see.
So the Pepsi touched the tree.
Let's see if the Coke will touch the tree. Or maybe it'll get higher than that. I wanna
Switch it up.
I'm not gonna drink it. That's good.
All right, here we go.
That's you thought that was
I
gonna
think this Coca-Cola is strong.
Coca-Cola.
All right. Round 2. Should we do this one?
Okay.
Or should you want to put them in those in there? This one is already.
Yeah, I think it needs a little bit more. One more will not hurt, I think. I'll just put this one.
Here we go.
That wasn't big. Pepsi wins.
Pepsi wins, dang.
Thank you for watching this video of Science with Violet.